Good morning, you flightless fuckers. I hope you're all doing well and had a fantastic weekend. So, what do we have? The market's a sea of red today. Bitcoin down 2% at 24.1. Ethereum down 5% at 1.9. BNB down 3.5% at 318. The only thing going against the grain is SHIBA INU because people are fucking cunts. That's up 2%, by the way. Dicks. Gate.io has been licensed in Hong Kong. BINANCE is now, in principle, allowed to operate in Kazakhstan. Yeah, that one. Hackers managed to print 1.2 billion AUSD on a gala through an exploit. The exchange Blue Bends, that's BENX, has halted withdrawals after a 32 million hack. Yeah, that's it on the negative side. On the positive side, we've got a few good bits coming. No, actually, as an added fucking negative, I'll point out that fucking that bullshit token SHIBA INU is over fucking AVAX again and reclaimed 10 billion market cap. Fucking idiots. Nigeria has been awarded the most crypto-curious country in the world. It's good for them. Positive future there. Anything else? Let's have a look. Right, look. 51 years ago today was the end of the gold standard. So with that in mind, I'm going to talk a little bit about the future of crypto. I want to say that you've got to bear in mind that this is an ongoing sideways pattern. We've had a few days of pump. Now that means that there's going to be a few days of negative to take us back. You know, I've said this from the off, we are going sideways for a significant amount of time. So don't worry about this little dip. It's going to retrace to where we were, like I said it would all along. But interestingly, people don't know what's going to happen. I mean, two of the biggest guys, Real Powell and Peter Schiff. Powell is saying that we've already hit bottom and it's all up from here. Schiff is saying, look, it's going to see BTC under 10k. And I'll be honest with you, I don't think either of them are right. I believe the bottom, as I said, months ago, is going to be around 16k. We did virtually touch that once. I would not be surprised to go down that far again and bounce. It's certainly, I believe it's going to retrace before we see any significant improvement. But, I am a negative little duck. But over 75% of financial institutions intend to use crypto within 3 years. We've got PGA tours accepting crypto. You've got the institutional pension funds still super interested in looking at incorporating crypto in. We've had banks announce that they're looking to compete by utilising their risk management and compliance skills. Crypto is very, very much going to be on the up and up. For those that just want to buy and forget about it, it's still a good time. I mean, it's going to retrace and you'll be in the negative, I expect, for a bit. But, compared to where we're going to be in, say, 5 years' time, it's nothing. Now, I don't know how much you guys know or what you follow, but if you followed the Bitcoin history at all, you'll know that the poor guy that was supplying Bitcoin to people in the days of Silk Road was done. Even though people go to cash machines all the time and then use that cash for drugs, apparently that's absolutely fine. But if somebody gives somebody some Bitcoin and then they use it for drugs, that's a criminal offence. People in crypto have long been persecuted by government. Well, let's face it, governments persecute everybody, they're cunts. But this latest attack on Tornado Cash, now they're going after and arresting developers. I mean, Jesus fucking Christ, if you can't program in safety, what fucking can you do? It's just not right that people working on projects can be arrested for how other people use them. People go to cash machines all the fucking time, withdraw cash and spend it on drugs. You don't arrest the people that created the cash machine for making that possible. It's fucking stupid. Yet for some reason these people think it's absolutely fine to do that in the case of cryptocurrency. We've already had the poor fucker that was involved with supplying Bitcoin around the fucking Silk Road days being done for it, which is horrific. The poor cunt went to prison and is still in prison, I expect. You know, it's just not fucking right. The government are fucking assholes. They're not there to protect you or look after you. They just want to make sure they can steal your fucking money. It's wrong. And it should be fucking criminal. Cunts.
All things crypto by a duck life. See you next time.